Oh, she's too low to start. Much better.
The battery was about 3 years old, but that wasn't the only problem. This Vespa is only used occasionally and spends a lot of time sitting in the garage.
I've used his HEOMAITO in my other gas scooters and had real good luck with him.
For this replacement, the owner selected a HEOMAITO 6M FESI 7L. The new battery fit the original tray, the terminals were connected, and the battery was secured in place.
You see all that corrosion on that ground connector? That will create havoc.
Corrosion can increase resistance and restrict current to the starter even with a new battery installed. With the battery disconnected, the connector was cleaned back to bare metal. A fresh battery and a clean connection, now this Vespa is ready to ride again.
All right. Much better.